Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you're on the app's latest version and whether you're signed into a paid account. That determines legal removal options. Once done, back up the project and an exported copy to avoid losing edits. Now open the project and immediately locate the watermark, either a separate overlay layer or an export checkbox. Make sure to note where it sits in the timeline and any opacity or blend settings, because that's what you'll change next. If the watermark is a distinct layer, simply hide or delete it and adjust surrounding clips to fill the gap. That's the cleanest route. If the watermark is baked into the footage, place a small unobtrusive overlay, logo, blur patch, or color matte, or crop the frame to remove the mark while keeping composition intact. Make sure to preview in the intended export ratio, adjust scale and position, and render a short segment to verify results before final export using the app's full quality settings and inspect the final file for any remaining watermark artifact. If removal methods feel hacky or degrade quality, the recommended path is to purchase the app's watermark-free export tier. That ensures legality and retains quality. If you still see marks after exporting, reopen the project, toggle visibility, or remove the overlay layer, and re-export a short clip to confirm. One troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or restart the app. Sometimes preview/render caches reintroduce old frames.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.